Hello guys, welcome to the PDNob channel. Today this video will show you how to convert PDF to Word. When you open a PDF file for viewing, it is impossible to edit it. Need to convert to other editable documents such as Word. So, I will recommend you a method to convert PDF for free. Open the PDNob official website or click the link in the description below. Mouse over PDF Solutions. Choose the PDF to Word. Click Select File. Select the PDF to convert and click Open. The PDF thumbnail will be displayed in the middle. Select the format you want to convert to on the right. Choose Convert to Word. There are two formats to choose from. Click Convert to Word. OK. When prompted that the conversion is complete, click Download to get the converted Word. Let's open the converted Word document. Click above to enable editing. Now you can modify the document however you want. If you need to export as a PDF document after modification, you can select the PDF format in Save As and click Save. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you think the video is good, please give me a big like. See you next video.